Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the best home remedy for cough and cold. This drink works like a miracle. Let us see how to make it. All you need is in 1 cup of hot water add half tablespoon of turmeric. Turmeric is very rich in antioxidants. Then half tablespoon of cinnamon powder which is rich in antibacterial properties. Then half tablespoon of olive oil which is also rich in antioxidants. Then 1 tablespoon of lemon. It soothes our sore throat, and honey, which is very helpful when we have cough. So finally the drink is ready. And have tea before the breakfast. Thank you, and please subscribe for more videos.